Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel.
Alright guys, it's time to kick this weekend off right. We're inside the car right now. Bam, check out that intake sticking out through the hood. I love it. You gotta have a motor sticking out just a little bit on a pro street car. But anyways, we got a lot of work that's gonna happen this weekend. We're gonna try to set this thing on the ground. And also, we are going to be welding up some brackets, finish up a few things up front, and let's see if we can get this thing on the ground. Let's rock and roll, guys. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you something here. We got a little package in the mail here. We are going to test out one of these FUPA 12 cups here. We got one of those in. I've had one of the glass ones and it worked really awesome, but it broke on me. And the glass ones are really expensive. I'm going to test these out. I think from what I've seen so far, these work really well. And we're going to test this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it together and do some TIG welding here in just a couple minutes and test these bad boys out. Alright guys, we're back at it. We just finished up doing some TIG welding on this. We got our brackets on there. I just kind of done a real simple mounting system for the top of the grills. I probably could have done some really exotic stuff, but kind of came up with this. It's really simple and it worked out nice. So that was the back mount, front mount, and it worked out nice. Finished that up there. We're going to wrap up a couple other things, and we're going to keep on rocking, keep on rolling. Alright guys, we're about to do some cutting on this hood. We just got some areas that we've got to clean up. That way we've got even gap around everything and nothing touches. But we're going to do some cutting and rock and roll here. Alright guys, we're having ourselves a little pizza break here, working on the goat. You guys liking your pizza? Heck yeah, man. We're working on it, we're getting ready to set it on the ground. Just getting everything kind of bolted back up. It's time to see what this thing's gonna look like. Check this thing out, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Finally got it sitting on the ground. Worked our hind ends off. We finally decided we're just gonna set it on the ground, see what it's looking like. Just wow, it's looking good. We were really, really happy the way this thing turned out. What do you guys think?
Words can't describe.
Pretty cool moment.
Shock and awe. Hey, that's a sticker. Shock and awe. Very good.
Just check that bad boy out in there, man. Whoa. That's all I'm saying. Whoa. Love it. It's looking good. I'm gonna have to order me a new bumper though. This is one I picked up in a swap meet, and it's gonna be a wall hanger. Having some problems with it. It's not gonna work out. I just don't like it. It's actually made for a 65, and I was gonna try to see what it looked like on a 66. A lot of you guys probably won't even realize there's much of a difference, but there is. It would work, and I think it would look good, but this bumper is messed up. Whoever had it before me had done some trimming over here on this side, and yeah, as you can see right there, it completely got all the gaps off. So once I seen that, I want it to look just as good as the back one. So we'll have to call VFN up on that. But anyways, just wanted to show you up under here how everything's just kind of looking. Super excited about. A lot of people's been asking me why I did the hinged hood look, why I wanted to do that. I love a hinged hood, and plus where I am going to drive this thing on the road some and going to do a lot of pro street stuff with it. I wanted to be able to, if I need to get underneath the hood, I could. If you've got a one-piece front end on it and you're by yourself driving it and something happens, you're going to be in trouble. But that was just me, personal preference, and plus I like being able to just stand back, pop the hood, you can see what's underneath. That's just my preference. No really other special reason why. But I like it. I think it's looking really nice. And yes, everything is removable. So basically, if this makes sense to you guys, this is a one-piece front end essentially, okay? What I can do is I can undo the Zeus fasteners up on the top and the ones down there on the bottom, okay? The hood and everything comes off. It'll take two guys to do it, of course, but everything can come off if you wanted it to, okay? And I wanted to do that because we all know how much this crap you have to work on, how hard it is to work on, and you need the front end to come off. So I wanted it to do all. So if we wanted it to be a one-piece front end, we could, and we have a hinge and hood. Yes, it's heavy. Yes, it took a lot of materials and time to make it work, but hopefully in another video or two, I'll show you guys that thing being removed. Hopefully it all works fine, but we'll get there. We'll get there. I love how everything's looking. I'm super pumped about this thing. Just check all that out. All this stuff here turned out good. I wasn't able to show it in the last video, but all of this, I actually TIG welded all this. So what I've done was those pieces, I just fused them together, and I think they turned out really nice. Let's see if I can give you some. Yeah. So I tried to keep this radius right here the best I could. I'm really happy with that piece right there. It's still got a little bit of lining up to do. Of course, all the body lines, as most of you guys know, a lot of work involved in that. But a lot of work has happened, and it's really cool seeing this thing sitting down on the ground. I'll open the door up. You guys see inside, but there's kind of what we're looking like here. We're getting there. Super excited. What is going on, YouTube? Man, we finally got this thing on the ground. I hope you guys can see it pretty good here, but man, it is looking super wicked, super wicked. But I just want to thank you guys again for tuning in with us. We're wrapping up this weekend's video right here, and definitely you guys subscribe right there, I think. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, share these things, comment below, hit the like button. I cannot thank you guys so much for the ones who's already done that, as helping us out a bunch. But again, man, a great weekend. We got this thing together, got it set on the ground just to kind of check all the body lines out, see what it's looking like, and plus I kind of need a little bit more motivation to get me there. But anyways, we got some body lines and we'll have to get lined up a little bit better that I'm wanting to fine tune. I mean, everything is working, everything is moving. Sam, get off the car. What are you doing? We're filming. Come on. Hey. And then you got some silly cat that wants to jump on the car. That's always nice. But anyways, we got some lines that we're wanting to tune up and get real straight and stuff, and that's why I wanted to get on the ground so we can kind of back it up, look at it from all corners, and mark those areas and get them nice and straight and crisp. But there's still several hours and a lot of work that's involved in that. But moving on forward, the car will go back up in the air. We will get it jacked back up. There's still a ton of work to be done. There's still parts that I've got to buy and got to save up for it. But we're getting there, super excited, had a great weekend, and we've already, I mean, just a few posts that we put up about it, man, we've been getting great support on it, and thank you guys again. You guys are awesome. All the comments, all the shares, all the likes, it's just been, man, thank you guys again so much. But anyways, we're wrapping this bad boy up. Till next time, you guys have a good one.